Go 7
Yes.
He's a pet parrot.
What?
Why was he getting hyped?
Kill his
up?
parrot. Kill his parrot.
I'm gonna kill your parrot.
No, no,
Dream.
no, kill my parrot.
I'm gonna kill your parrot.
Don't kill my parrot.
I'm gonna kill your parrot. Oh, I see that little parrot, Dream.
Kill it, kill it, kill it.
He's little and he's red.
And we'll give you a bit of leeway if you sit the parrot down so we can kill it.
What is wrong with you guys? You guys are horrible.
Alright, guys.
Oh God. All the
my
lengths I
goodness.
go for you.
Where is he? Where is he?
Come on.
Hurry.
Bye.
No.
Oh.
No.
No. No. No. No. Parrot.
Dream, you escaped, but
His parrot.
your
is
parrot
falling.
didn't.
What?
Oh,
No!
Yes, I killed
No!
him!